Let's take a look at how to find seasonal opportunities on Trade Seasonals. Go to the website tradeseasonals.com, click on Start Scanning, review and accept the terms. You're going to see the top 10 opportunities based on Dow 30 stocks for today, June 10th. How do we read the opportunities? Seasonal opportunities are date ranges, and the way Trade Seasonals defines date range opportunities is by start date, opportunity ticker symbol, number of calendar days to hold this opportunity. This is a long opportunity, and Sharpe ratio is a measure to evaluate quality of a trade. To see the details of the opportunity, click any of the opportunities. You're going to see bar charts showing the percentage profit during this date range for the last 10 years. On the bottom, you see the strategy statistics showing that this Microsoft strategy had an average of 15.12% profit with a standard deviation of 8.26%. Standard deviation denotes the fluctuation of profit from one year to the next. So, a larger average profit and a smaller standard deviation would be better. Cumulative return for this strategy was 299.64%, and long and short scores show the current trend of the stock. If you click on the right arrow, you're going to see the current stock chart with the last day being June 9th, which is the last available date. You can also click on any of the bars and see the historical trade with entry and exit for each of the years. Now, we've been looking at opportunities that were derived based on 10-year analytics, but we can change that. We can look at 5-year analytics. Different list shows up, McDonald's on the top. Or we can go the other way, look at 35-year analytics. Procter & Gamble is the one choice. Procter & Gamble, this is actually a really good trade, was profitable 91% of the time in the last 35 years, 12.21% average profit during this date range. An excellent trade. Let's take a look at opportunities based on NASDAQ 100. Charter Communications on the top, or S&P 500. Intercontinental Exchange is on the top. Pool is second. You can look at any of these securities group or futures and commodities and so on. What if we wanted to take a look at a random stock ticker and check the date range performance? Select one of the stock groups, go to Seasonal Viewer, type the ticker symbol, select the number of calendar days for your date range. For ULTA, during this date range, it was 60% profitable and had a 2.49% average profit with a very high standard deviation. It shows that this is not a great date range for ULTA for the last 10 years. This is the basics you need to know to get started. There are some more detailed videos you can watch, but this is the fundamentals for trade seasonals.